This video will explain how to change the battery. You will know that it is time to change the battery when you see the yellow LED flash 3 times after entering an access code. The low battery yellow LED will also flash when the knob is turned to lock. First, open the battery cover and then remove the battery screw as shown. Once the screw is removed, you can then pull out the battery and holder. Remove the battery from the holder and insert a new battery into the holder. Note, the plus side of the battery goes face down, matching the plus side of the battery holder. Then, insert the battery and holder back into the lock and secure it to the lock with the screw. Swing the battery cover back into place and the lock is ready for use.